Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I'm always ordering different stuff. I'm always on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or whatever it might be. And sorry, that's my husky going nuts over here because I'm not doing an unboxing for them. I do a bunch of different unboxings, from clothing to tech to just dog stuff, mainly cats. And I buy car stuff. I do some car videos and same with my Instagram. And I buy a bunch of different clothes. I see something I like and I'm like, oh, I like that. I'm going to buy that. Especially like clothing and stuff like that. So I kind of binged and bought from this company. I'll have to pull up the order to give the name because it's been months. But they are a car brand. And basically they have a ton of different shirts that are like, I'll have to pull them all out of the bags, but they're just a ton of different. I went kind of crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts. I thought they were kind of cool. Check it out. Oh, they're nice quality. Okay, so they are nice quality. You know, I like cars more than people. If you can see that, it's got skid marks. I fix stuff, and I know that's what I do. Basically, this isn't just referring to cars, but also I fix computers and tech stuff, electrical stuff around the house, because I have my journeyman electrical engineering. Work in IT, so I fix IT stuff, and then I also fix cars because I work on cars. So kind of definitely fitting of me, hence why I got it. Yeah. Yes, officer. I was following the speed limit. Yeah. Yeah. I'll just leave it at, I got out of a reckless driving ticket earlier this year. Or actually, I think it was last year now. And yeah, hence why the shirt, because you can see videos of my car. I won't say I'm driving or not, doing in excess of 150 miles an hour, because, well, you know, why not? Car things, car people understand. We got that. Yes, it's fast and loud. No, you can't drive it. Those of you that are in the car community or drive cars or, you know, have a nice car, there's always that one friend, one family member that, hey, when are you going to let me drive it? Never. I want to wear this at car meet or a car show because it's just so true to me and true to a lot of people that are into the cars and car community. Is you love cars, you have a passion for it, you share it with other people. Like-mindedness, and that's why you're part of the car community, is you're all kind of same page and love different people's builds and different cars. So that is all that I got, and comment which one is your favorite and what you think, and check out all these other videos over here, and also comment below what kind of car you drive and what you like, and do you go to car shows and meets and that. And take care. Bye. Like, subscribe. Bye.